Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today it's going to be a mix of things. We're going to take you up to the barn there and show you what's been going on there. We did get the other side sided. I think it was my last video. I haven't shot a whole lot lately. I've just been super busy, and I apologize for that. But I think in the next week or so I'm going to really crack down and start making a lot of videos. We got quite a few projects coming up. So what we're going to do now is go up and I'll show you everything that we've done. We got some of the hog pens in there, or at least the back wall and stuff built. And we'll go to the rental, show you around there, and see what's going on there. I know we got gutters and stuff hung. And then come back here, maybe get into something. Maybe I still got to do the garden cleanup and all that good stuff. So I don't know if I'll get into that today or not. But sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Don't ever live on a state route because traffic is just horrible. It's 4:30 and I can't even get out of my driveway. Alright guys, this is the steel paneling we put up. Actually my buddy did it. I didn't have a chance to help him. He has his own business, so he can come up here and work a lot more than I can. So yeah, so that's, then the pins will go, all the way up through there. We'll have to put some more lights in here. Not a big deal. But yeah, so I mean that's really what we've done. Looks like he's got the plywood and then 2x4 1/2-inch plywood, and then this is steel here. So looks really good, really good. So like I said, I still got to do that part over there, get all that stuff organized and tore down. That'll be another day. Get all this straightened out. But yeah, so it's coming along. I mean, slow progress for sure, but it'll definitely be a full barn here before long. We'll get that back side tore off, get all this down, get that closed up. It'll look really good. All right, I'm gonna unload this piece of plywood, and then we'll move on to the rental. I just need to check it out and look at some electrical issues with it, and we'll get back to the farm. I'll catch you guys in a minute. We got some new gutters up here, and then down this way. We got to get some. I got to do some siding repair up here. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of broke right there. But there was like a little canopy right here, and they backed the U-Haul trailer into it and knocked it off. So that'll have to be repaired. Inside, you guys seen the floor when we put it down. Did the carpet on the steps. On up the steps, it looks good. That's about it, really. I mean, this property's ready to go. I just got to kind of check out the electrical outlets. Matter of fact, I'll do this little tester right here. It tells me if there's open grounds. If there's an open ground, we can't have these kind of receptacles. They have to be, you can't have the ground port. It just has to be the 2 prongs. Let's plug this in and see what it is. And that says it's an open ground. So what I have to do is count all them and replace every single one with just a double prong receptacle. So make sure that these are all like that. Oh, see, that one's correct. Oh, let's see. How about this GFI? That one's correct. Maybe it's just the front room. Let's try this one. That one's correct. Huh. Wonder. Maybe it's just that receptacle. Let's try this one. Nope, these are open ground. That's kind of good. I'll just switch all these around. Nothing like finding all this out. One thing I hate doing is electrical. I'm always afraid I'm going to shock myself. But it's always good to go around and check everything, because you never know what people plug into these things and burn them out or whatnot. So check this one. We are good. Good on all these. That's good. You got any outlets out here? Yeah, there's one. Which is upside down, but not open ground, so that has to be rewired or just changed. That one's good. All right, so one GFI, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 receptacles. And that's what they come in. They come in a pack of 10. So I'm in good shape on that. That's good. That's good. That's a good thing. So, all right. Well, I'll see you guys at the farm. All right, guys, back at the farm here. Sun is going down quickly. I'm gonna see if I can get the fencing down on this garden. I mean, it's yeah, my garden's done, but I need to get it ready for the winter. So I need to get the fence down and some of these bigger plants pulled, and I'm just gonna mow it, and then I will till it up, and that should be okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get this fence down. So let's do that. All right, all the fence is down. The only thing I got left to do is I'll harvest the rest of these tomatoes and take the cages out of there, pull the pepper plants and tomato plants out of there, and I'll just mow it. And then I'll go ahead and get it tilled back up. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. We'll do that tomorrow. Be another video on that. And I'll catch you guys later.